Hi, I'm here today to look at chiral law, the um, the tendency that the universe has to force things into spirals. There's a very common phrase that things come round and go around.
What goes around comes around, and
So on. And we also find ourselves repeating situations as if our habits are attuned somehow to other people's realities in a very difficult kind of way. Because we experience this kind of cyclic effect of what goes around comes around, cause and effect sort of situation, and we can only see it from our own perspective, we're at a bit of a loss really to gather a comprehension of what's actually going on. The thing that strikes me most relevantly about chiral law is its insistence in nature. It's as if there is nothing in nature that won't subscribe to it.
the formation of galaxies, the formation of leaves on a tree, the Fibonacci numbering system is based on it.
Pi even. You can spiral anything. And chirality essentially produced life. If you go back to Charnia, the very first life form, it sprang from a fractal pattern, which essentially is the chirality of something replicating itself. If we're going to dig deep enough into this law and see how deeply we're affected by it and governed by it, we need to really consider what's happening in the science, what's happening down there at the quantum level to produce the effects that we get caught up in. So I'm going to have a look at that in a minute. If you want to join the discussion, stay tuned. Leave stuff in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to.